Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. It is something very different today, and it's also something I really have been wanting to film up for ages, and it is a tour of my 5-star Animal Crossing island. So I'm doing a different kind of filming style today because my last island tour I didn't film very well, so I'm trying a new angle, so hopefully it will work. So join me on my little island tour to see how I got 5-star island. Right, I'm gonna pretend that we've just come off the plane. So welcome to Happy Isle. So this is my airport. So if we come up here, I've made a shell arch and I've got 2 bamboo trees. So this pink path, if you haven't watched my last video, I actually got it as a custom design from Able Sisters, and I've been following a Tumblr blog called aaaaall Custom Designs, and I'll link it in my description box so you can download it too. So it's not a very super structured island. I don't have like a residential area for villagers or things like that, and because it's a town, I wanted to create something that's more of a zen beach town space. So I like the idea of having a cottagecore island, but I just couldn't resist having a pink path. So this is a new addition. It is a my swap shop, so any visitors that come to my island can drop something and take something. So I've got a wooden load table and what else? What is this? A bamboo sheet lamp recipe. So we're going to go along here. There's Pashmina, my queen. I've had a few villager changes. So we've got Marina's house here. Of course, you see my pizza restaurant, which is my favourite thing so far. And then my other new villager is Mary, who is here. Let's go and talk to her because she's so cute. She has replaced Dottie, and I absolutely love her. She's a peppy little villager, and she's just so freaking cute. Oh, Gladys wants to talk to me. Let's go and talk to her. Aww, I've had so many villagers ask me to change the catchphrase, but I love it, so I always say no. I like it. Yay! I was gonna... Right, let's go along here. This, of course, is my fruit orchard. I have all my 5 fruits, and this is a new pool area. Excuse me, Flick. And I designed the pool tiles myself, so I think I've tweeted, yeah, I've definitely tweeted this design. So of course all my social media links are in the description box, so just go to my Twitter. It's one of my most recent retweets at the moment, so you can download that. So I wanted to make a nice actual beach resort kind of style. And then we've got my next crony, which I've moved back since last time, wanting to create a little cute park area here, and I have a little hybrid garden. I'm trying so hard to get purple hyacinths, but it's so hard. I've got loads of blue ones at the moment. The most biggest and recent change is my house. I've moved it along to here, so I've created a kind of cliff staircase to my house. So this is my little kind of garden, and then this is my house here, and I've got 2 beach palm tree kind of designs here, which I absolutely love. Again, beach resort. And I've got a new path here, which I absolutely love. Of course, my favourite feature is my waterfall. I absolutely love my waterfalls. And then this is one of the biggest changes. I've got another path here with a little seating area. This is a new wedding designs. I've already finished anniversary photos, so I've got a little commemorative plate. So this is the table and the bench if you haven't started definitely recommend it. And got a wedding arch here. I've moved a pond here. Shep's house is here, and this is my goth garden. I've got loads of black tulips, and I've got a western style stone, which I want to try and get a recipe for to make more, but so far a friend has kindly gifted me this. Then this is a complete like design still from Tumblr. Someone used this custom design for the panels and stuff and got these plants. Obviously it's not the same plants, but I really wanted to do like a garden greenhouse kind of plant thing, so I had to do that. Then I've got a skeleton, a wagon. This is kind of like my Zen garden. Gladys lives here. And then obviously Lucy lives here. This is new. This is my karaoke area, but no villager sings here, which is really sad. Got a little seating area with a marimba. Come on, let's play. And then we've got a little playground for anyone who wants to play. Then we've got Eric's house, who is also a newer villager. And this is my fortune telling store area. And here is my favourite bit. This is the museum with a little coffee shop. So you come along here, you could go in. I've got 2 waterfalls here to kind of make it a big feature. And I've got a secret area around the back with a snack machine and a hammock, which is quite cool. Oh gosh. And then you come up here and you've got another seating area with a drinks machine. And then round here you've got a little seating area again with a kettle thing. Can't remember what it's called. And then I've moved Flora's house up here so she gets her own little garden. There she is, absolutely love her. She's actually the best villager ever. She's my queen, laying on me. Oh, she's so cute. I've got another design from Tumblr. Of course, you've probably seen this. My little kind of playground park area. And I've designed this. I stole this idea from someone on Twitch. And this is forced perspective car park. And then around here, you got a pond. Up here is Mary's house. And I've also given her a little garden. So she's got a paddling pool and a palm tree, which I think is really cute. And then across the bridge, some trees. And then I've got Queen Alexandra birdwing statue, which I absolutely love. I think that's what the butterfly is called. Secret section here. This is for when Red comes. If he ever comes, I can just climb down. And yeah. And then the last bits I've got to show you is this. Obviously I've got another cafe, fast food restaurant right here. Then I've got another seating area. I don't know what to do with this. I'm just a bit bored of this bit, but I don't know. And then that's the path that goes to the park. I've actually tried to change things up with the flowers, so I have different colours in a row, which makes it a bit more prettier. Down here we've got our garden. This is my hybrid garden. Again, not very successful, sadly. Willow's house. Then we've got camping area, campsite, which I'm really proud of. I need to dig this up. And a waterfall again. Then we have my tiki bar, which is really swanky. Got this recipe for the bamboo bench not long ago, and it looks so good. Again, custom designs for the beach tiles. And then if you go to the end, you have a little picnic area with a money tree growing, which is one of my favourite things. I got my arms aching. Rolf's house. and then you've got a little walkway to the Zen garden here. So yeah, that is a little tour of my 5-star island. Might change a few designs afterwards. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click notification bell below to get updates when the next upload, and I hope you enjoyed this tour. Bye!